In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by opening an app called My Files. Then select Settings in the pop-up and click on this switcher next to Allow Permission. When you finished, go back and click on Downloads over here. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. To access one, click on it, tap on one of those apps and select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!